Hello everyone, so we are back with another algebra question, and till now we were doing quadratic equations, linear equations. So let's do a review little quick. Linear equation was where the degree of variable means the highest power of the variable was 1, and you can say this is a linear equation, and quadratic equation where the degree of variable is 2. So this is equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. Now, this is something new. X bar 4, and yes, it is called, these type of equations are called biquadratic. Biquadratic equations, and or these are also called quartic equation as well. Okay, so this was the summary thing, and now let's start the main question. So what I have observed is it is very easy to scare a person using math, right? Like here we are just looking at power x and we are like, whoa, I don't know how to solve it. I have just learned the powers having like variables having power 2 and everything. So this is looking scary or anything, right? But let's convert them into quadratic, right? So I'm gonna convert biquadratic into quadratic and then gonna solve it. So a quartic equation or biquadratic equation is basically looking like ax bar 4 plus bx bar 3 plus cx bar 2 plus dx plus e is equals to 0. Somewhat like that, right? But the equations where there is just this part and this part and this part is given equals to 0, they are very easy to solve. So cheer up guys, here we are, and let's check out the method. Okay, so here my equation is x bar 4 minus 5x bar 2 plus 4 equals 0. Obviously nothing is coming common from here, right? So let's do one thing. Let your x square is t, or anything you can suppose. So let it is t. If it is t, then what is this? Square is a square. That means t is a square, right? So can I write it as t is a square minus 5 times x square was t plus 4 equals 0. Oh my god, what am I looking at? This equation is quadratic only. Okay, and now I know how to solve quadratic equation, right? So let's start. X square minus 5t plus 4. Okay, so let's solve it. When you do the middle term splitting, this minus 4t minus t plus 4 is equals to 0. T minus 4 and t minus 1 is the answer here. So my t's are a 4 and a 1, right? So we are done finding the equation. Thanks for watching. No, wait. This is not it. We were supposed to solve this equation. Solving this equation means finding x. Means the initial variable. Very important thing. Finding x. So if I go for t and my t is 4 and 1, what was my t? My t was this, x square equals t, right? So if I continue, t is equals to x square. That means 4 is equals to x square. This implies x is equals to plus or minus 2. And if my t is 1, I'm considering t 1, x square, it implies x is equals to plus minus 1. Now here we got our answer and we have the answers. So answer of this equation is x is equals to -1, +1, -2, +2. And as it was a biquadratic equation, that means it can have maximum 4 answers, and where we go, we have 4 answers right now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you understood this part, and sorry for the mess. To come again. Bye bye.